Hello everyone and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can make roles on Discord and as well as how you can put powers on those roles. So what you want to do is go to the server that you have admin privileges in, and yes, you need to be an admin or have admin power in order to make these roles. So over here we'll just want to head over to server settings, and then you want to head over to the roles channel. Once you're in the roles channel, all you want to do is create role. And once you create role, it's all the way in the bottom. Well, we're gonna put it on top, right below quitting. And from here, we want to change the name to test, because why not? Because we're testing it. And now we're just gonna put a blue color on it. Display role, display differently, and allow people to mention. Over here, as you can see in the channels, over here, they can manage roles or manage channels. Depends on what you want. My apologies, but it really depends on what kind of powers you want to give them. But for this one, I just want to allow them to view the audit log, and that's going to be it. And basically manage some nicknames. And with that, I just want to do save changes, and that's about it. I just created a role, and now I can give this role to anyone I want. For example, Me6 over here. Hey, yo, Me6, you're taking the test role. With that, boom. I just made my role, I just gave it to Me6. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, which you don't want to miss out, hit that notification bell and that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace!